I'll tell the story about how I got educated, right? I went to school, I learned about agronomy, soils, water, pests, insects, disease. These are all individual domains, genetics, plant breeding, biotechnology. And I had to wrap that all in my head, right? Hopefully I studied and learned it. And then I would go into the real world and leverage my perception technologies of eyes, smell, feel, right? Everything, and really operate. And that's how what AI is now allowing us to do. And that's why I get back to that story I told about the two agronomists, the guy in Georgia and the guy in Nebraska, right? You're limited by your context. Well, in today's world with the large language models and agentic AI and these framing, I now can put the encyclopedia of life sciences and agronomy together from genetics, biotechnology, traits, and engineering, and put them with perception technologies, cameras, LiDAR, sensors, to really understand what's going on. Because up to this point, we've had to solve these problems in slivers. Like, hey, here's your irrigation scheduling tool. Put a soil moisture probe in the ground. Here's your evaporation saturation rate, and here's how much water you should put on. We didn't take into consideration all these other factors of what the weather is going to be like from a model. You sliced it very thin. Now you can combine it all together and say, hey, I've got a drought tolerant park, I've got the irrigation scheduling, I've got the climatic data, I've got soils data, and I can put it all together. We've just up to this point always had to be thin slicing this stuff.
Hmm.
And now you can really combine it all together and move at much faster pace through digital twinning and other capabilities.